So MegaWorks is a self-service garage where you can do your own work, and so you can bring the car in, put it up on the hoist yourself, do all the work you need, and then we're here to help. Growing up, we used to do all the work on the driveway on our backs getting dirty, so obviously our hoist makes it so that you can do pretty difficult tasks while standing up. So you've got space to do things, lift things, take things out. It just makes it a lot safer and a lot easier to work on your own car. AAQ obviously does a ton of different hoists for different, types of car people, I guess. So if you do have a four-wheel drive, you do want to go for the higher tonnage, or if you're someone who would prefer to drive it up onto the hoist rather than worry about lining up the hoist pads, then the four-post is obviously a lot easier because you just drive it on. So yeah, it gives a lot of variety for people. So when we were thinking of the workshop and doing all the research for AAQ was just really pain-free to deal with. They couldn't have been more helpful really in setting it all up and helping us about how much space we need between hoists, where to put them, how to kind of shape them around. I would absolutely recommend the AAQ hoists to someone if they were looking to do work on their own car in their garage, or if they would like to come to a shop and they see that they're using AAQ hoist.